Also, signs point to another rough day on Wall Street right now. Dow futures predict another drop when the markets open. Foreign markets are already seeing big sell-offs. Yesterday, the Dow plunged as much as 460 points. It did recover some of those losses, closing down 173 points. Senior business correspondent Anthony Mason is here. Anthony, good morning.
Good morning, Nora.
Okay, what was behind yesterday's volatility?
Well, there are a number of candidates getting votes here, but getting the most votes is probably the slowdown in Europe. Even Germany is slowing down. There are concerns about another recession. Another factor, the Fed's $1 trillion stimulus program is coming to an end. That's been really well telegraphed, but even still, a lot of people thought it played a big role in the market's run up, and with it ending, there's uncertainty.
And they're asking Germany to step up.
Yeah, exactly. But I mean, there's this climate now. The market's trying to find a bottom. That's what it's trying to adjust to these new factors and say, okay, where are we now?
And they're worried that Europe could even slip into a recession.
That's a real concern. And then obviously our economy is relatively strong, but if they slow down, it's going to affect us.
Some analysts are also pointing to Ebola as a contributing factor.
That's affected airline stocks to some degree. I don't think it's affecting the overall market, although when you've got uncertainty internationally and problems with ISIS, obviously it's just another contributing factor.
When you look at what's happened over the past 5 days, the Dow has dropped, 850 points, about 5%?
Yep.
That's a big concern.
Well, first of all, if you're in it for the long term, I don't think you need to be worried. The U.S. economy is relatively strong. But one thing is now with electronic trading, you can get selling accelerating in a fraction of a second. You can drop 460 points like we did yesterday, in a breath, literally. So if you're not up for that kind of risk, you've got to be more careful these days.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
Thank you.